Good morning, BHS. I'm your host, Eric.
And I'm Anya.
And Anya's back. Woo! I told you she'd be back. Anyways, it's the open house, so the grade 5s and grade 6 are coming to see, check out the amazing school, BHS. So here's some clips, some videos, and I dressed up fancy. Let's do some advertising.
Let's go.
Woo! Sydney! She's back! I've interviewed her so many times on the play and the improv.
Yeah.
You're awesome, you know. So where do you go to stage up now?
I go to John Abbott High School.
That's not too far.
No, it's not.
It's not too
quite
far.
nice.
What program are you taking?
I'm taking ALC, which is Arts, Literature, and Communication.
Awesome, awesome. Is it stressful?
No.
No.
Not yet.
Anyway, so it's nice to see you back at BHS.
Yeah.
And thank you very much.
Oh,
Woo! We really do believe that in schools, students do better when they feel welcome and they feel a part of the things that take place. And BHS has something for everyone.